East. Viva Dubai, viva MSC Cruises. My God, mamma mia, what a beautiful moment. What a fantastic godmother we have.
Of course, we must extend again our sincere thanks for being with us tonight. His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, His Excellency Hilal Al Marri, and of course His Excellency Mohammed Al Marri for being with us for this crucial moment, this important ribbon-cutting ceremony, and Madame Sophia Loren. Truly a historic moment here tonight in Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in thanking His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Mohammed Rashid Al Maktoum. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to extend our sincere thanks to each and every one of you for being with us tonight for this incredible event. It's a historic moment, the largest naming ceremony ever in the Middle East. Of course, with this fantastic, beautiful vessel behind us, the MSC Virtuosa, and we invite each and every one of you to be part of it, to take part of it, to retreat back to the ship as part of the evening, to enjoy its splendor, and of course,
thank you to Mr. Vago, to Mr. Onorato, to Alexa Pontevago, to Mr. Diego Aponte, and thank you to Madame Loren, our godmother, and to our captain, Francesco Saverio Veniero. Thank you.
Of course, we would thank our sincere thanks, of course, to Madame Sophia Loren. And just, ladies and gentlemen, if you just stay in your seats for a moment longer, we do have a firework display and a show. We do encourage you to enjoy and to take part in the spectacular spectacle about to take place.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the show goes on.
Well, actually, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more performance for the evening. Of course, we couldn't close out this historic day without an incredible musical performance to add to the festivities. So, ladies and gentlemen, please do remain in your seats because we have a performance from the one, the only Rag and Bone Man, an incredible performance that you'll be enjoying tonight. We ask that you do stay and enjoy that. It'll be on in just minutes.
And please, one more big applause for our officers, the officers of MSC Virtuosa. Thank you.